Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blend door actuator in a Dodge Journey. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can tackle this common repair with confidence. A malfunctioning actuator can lead to frustrating issues like inconsistent air temperature or a persistent clicking sound from behind your dashboard. We'll cover everything from locating the part to final testing, helping you restore comfortable climate control in your vehicle. To begin, you'll need to gain access to the blend door actuator. In a Dodge Journey, these are typically located behind the glove box on the passenger side, or sometimes under the dash on the driver's side. Carefully remove any trim panels and the glove box itself. You'll likely need a 7mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver for the retaining screws. Take your time, as some plastic components can be fragile. Once you have clear access, disconnect the electrical connector from the blend door actuator. Next, remove the 2 or 3 small mounting screws that hold the actuator in place. These screws can be in tight spots, so a small ratchet with a Phillips bit or a stubby screwdriver might be helpful. Gently pull the old actuator away from the HVAC housing, being mindful of the blend door arm it controls. Observe how the arm is positioned. Now, install your new blend door actuator. Carefully align the new actuator with the blend door arm and the mounting holes. Secure it with the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connector. After installation, it's crucial to calibrate the new actuator. This often involves turning the ignition key to the on position, cycling the HVAC system, and sometimes removing a specific fuse for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the system to reset and calibrate the new part.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.